Hey guys, I know, it's been an embarrassingly long time since my last video, and I have no idea how this number is still so high. Anyway, if you're watching this, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm bringing you footage from my first game back. I'll be playing at a woodland airsoft site called Division 22, and this time, I've brought a whole squad with me. On today's roster, we have I just want to preface by saying that this video doesn't follow a particular narrative like my other videos. It's just a montage of fun airsoft clips and memorable moments from the day. Also, an unexpected appearance for anyone who's watched the Camp Sparta video. You might remember this guy.
Hello. Player inside there, not sure what colour it is. Player, colour! Red team! Red team! Right, yeah, red, fuck him up. Smash him. Run! Oh, I'm shot.
Okay.
I'm on your team. Oh yeah, he's red. Sorry.
There's someone in the fort, in the window.
Let's go, let's push. I'm pushing. Come on. Yeah. You blue, yeah?
I shot you, bro.
Oh, you fucking shot me.
I'm the one who got you blue. Red. Got two. Come on.
Fair play.
Make it interesting.
Alright. I'm so sorry. Knife kill.
Oh my.
I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry, bro. Knife kill. You can be quiet.
Knife kill. One knife kill. One knife kill because you didn't give your identity.
In the middle of the church we have this spinner. It's a game of domination with a single point. Run in, turn the spinner. Once you've spun it to your team's colour, you have to leave the church.
Hit!
Get in the side.
Hit!
Okay.
In that doorway. Hi. Hit. Good job. Hit. Renato.
Damn me up, brother. Yeah, we're
Yeah.
unless we run somewhere. Can you do it? Come out. Oh yeah, shit, the sounds like me.
I don't have much. Open it. Open it.
Fuck, man.
Not everyone.
You okay?
You what? How are you drinking? Hey, Blake.
GG. I keep getting hit in my rolls.
the end I got hit here in the head. They just hit me, man.
You had it the worst because you were in the doorway. And
Yeah.
just
They shot me.
meat shield.
I ate everything.
I hope you guys enjoyed the quick montage. I'm so happy to be back making airsoft videos for you guys. You can expect more from me very soon. Let me know what type of content you would like to see down in the comments below. I have some really exciting stuff planned, including a video with Wish products and more airsoft CQB gameplay coming very soon.